Welcome to another episode of Titanium Man Garage. And I got another Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. I believe this is a 2001. And the story goes, the guy said it was backfiring and popping. Couldn't figure out why it ran like crap. Well, the battery was dead, for one thing. Put a new battery in it. The reason it was backfiring is the guy drilled a couple holes in the exhaust. Well, that silencer is there for a reason. Collects back pressure, comes out. If that's a straight pipe, you'll get backfiring and popping. So I'll have to replace that. But other than that, I ran it and drove it. It seemed fine. But when I put it in four-wheel drive, guess what happened? It started turning hard to the left, and it started cracking, making a cracking noise. This, you can hear it. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I got the brake off. Sounds like the bearings are shot in there. Took the pin out already. Let's go ahead and pull this off. So this could be another safety hazard. Once again, it goes back to guys not putting their hub fluid in. Ooh, I hear something rolling around in there. Let's pull this out. Ooh, that is not good. Wow, look at it. Broken parts all in there. Actually chewed the, wow, I've never seen one that bad before. Pillar clutch is completely gone. So I'm gonna have to tear that apart. I might have to replace that. That is completely shot. Show the magnetic coil. You can kind of see what's left of the magnetic coil. That's shot. That's not going to work anymore. I don't think there's even an outer ring left. Wow. All right. So here is my quick tip of the day. Looks like I'll be tearing this apart farther than I thought. Guys, remember to fill up your hub fluid at least once every 6 months to a year. Doesn't take much. Open that up with an Allen wrench. Put Polaris hub fluid in, or you can use synthetic ATF. That works. Yeah, so looks like I'll be replacing that whole front end. So I hope you like my quick tip of the day. And if you saw my other video, this is the one with the magnets that fell off the flywheel, destroyed the stator, put a used stator in. Sounds good now. Quick, easy fix. Thought it was a pretty cool story though. It was a 12-year-old that I got it from, and he was actually wrenching on it himself to try to figure out what was wrong. So that was pretty cool. Just turned out he went the wrong direction. So I'm gonna get back on this, start tearing that apart. It's also gonna need a clutch. I can hear the clutch kind of banging away. Good thing I got a parts machine laying around. All right, guys. Catch you next time.